I'm going to give a detailed breakdown of the alignment for Warrior 2 pose, Virabhadrasana 2. So if you were coming into the pose from a plank or downward facing dog position, and if I want to bring my left leg in front, left foot is going to step in between the hands, so in the center of the hands here. Back foot, I'm going to spin the heel down. So the back foot is turned about 15 degrees here. Coming upright. The heels are going to be in alignment with each other. So I'll give a different angle from the side. Now some teachers like to say heel to arch alignment. So the heel of the front foot is in line with the arch of the back foot. But personally, I find heel to heel alignment is a little more comfortable. So play around with that and find what works best for you here. Returning to the side angle. Front leg is bent, knee stacked over the ankle. The hips are open here, they're facing towards the side. And your torso, chest, also facing towards the side. So with that front leg, it's externally rotated. You can imagine a spiral movement here. Same with the back leg, spiraling open. With the hips, you want to check that they're level, parallel with the ground. Make sure you're not dipping the hips up or sending them back. Tailbone drops down. And the pelvis tucks in. So a bit of a pelvic tilt here, a bit of a circular motion. And it's not like you're scooping the tailbone under, you're just dropping it down, creating length in the lower back. So the spine is upright, crown of the head lifted up to lengthen the back of the neck. And with the legs here, you could take a shorter stance, and that's also Warrior 2. That's perfectly acceptable. You can make it a little bit easier or a little bit more difficult, bringing your front leg roughly to a 90-degree angle for more of a challenge, if you like. So choose whichever difficulty you like for this pose. And that's just a leg alignment. Adding in the arm alignment. The arms are going to come roughly parallel with the floor. Gaze is over the fingertips of the front hand. And a common mistake is with the back hand is going to be reaching to the corner a bit. You want to bring the arms 180 degrees apart. So it may feel a little bit like you're bringing that back arm behind you a bit. This is where it helps to have a mirror for guidance. And here, you also want to keep a little bend in the elbows. And the arms, have them a little bit below shoulder level. So when you're lifting the elbows and the arms up, the shoulders want to creep up. You want to keep the shoulders relaxed here. With this front arm, with the alignment, this elbow crease is pointing up. So to help you with that, you externally rotate the arm, keeping that external rotation in the upper arm, internally rotate the forearm. And pretty much the same for the back arm.